We are continuing on the traditions of my father, John Keolalake, who was a staunch believer that creating relationships throughout Aotearoa, throughout all of Pakipika, Polynesia, was really important. So every 5 years we travel, and this is our 20th year of halau, or of our school. And so we are traveling, and we've been here going on 18 days. The school is Nahanona Kuli Keopi Ilani. It is a school or a halau of Ike Papalua, or training in hula, in Olero Hawaii, our mother tongue, in Oli, our Hawaiian chant, in Mo'olero, our stories, in Mele, our songs and our dances.
It's a big privilege and an honor to be here on behalf of our halau, on behalf of Hawaii. It's an honor to Awamo the Koleana to take care of the responsibilities that have laid forth from our kumu. It means so much, and I can't wait to take all of this back home.
It's such a blessing to be over here. This is my first time here to Aotearoa. To get to see the Kura Kaupapa, the kids learning Te Reo Māori and their culture from a young age, from the youngest kamali all the way. And I see how the kaikuana, the older siblings, take care of the kaikaina, the children. It warms my heart. A lot of our numbers came actually from a competition we had last year called Kumaikahula, which is an island-based best in Maui. Just like the Merry Monarch, but not a little bit lower scale, but nice and homely. So a lot of our numbers came from there, and we've been practicing that for the last year, including Kaiulani and Maya numbers as well.
Our hula, our oli, is what carries all of our ike through time and through space. And so to be a mea hula, to be a mea oli is a huge privilege that not everybody gets to have. And I'm so blessed to have inspired some of you as you guys continue to inspire us.
Ona nahi tai mai I rātou ki te kura o te Koutu nei, ki te hono, I ngā hono ngai wāenga nui a tātou. Hara mai rātou I runga I te kaupapa o Matariki, o rātou nā kōrero mea wā tātou nei kōrero. Kia ki te ai hea ngā hono ngā nōra I roto I ngā kōrero me ngā tātai whaka.
Celebrating Matariki is something as a national holiday, having discounts and events and music and kapahaka and everything. We've been blessed to experience that, and we can't wait to take that back home in our own business, in our kula, in our communities as well. So, mahalo nui.
So Makahiki is celebrated by many po'e Hawaii, kanaka o iwi, but it's not a celebrated holiday like it is here. Here in Aotearoa. And that's something that we kanaka o iwi need to go ahead and challenge our governments, our people in power, that if we can celebrate like a Chinese New Year, why can't we celebrate a Hawaiian New Year? The whānau here, they have a very strong self-awareness of who they are and their identity, and they're not moving, right? They're kupa'a. They stand firm in their wisdom and in their intellect, and they stand firm in their belief system. And so, back home in Hawaii, we need to reaffirm some of those grounded foundations.